I'm not just out here for fun. I am out here for science. And with me today is my Zimmerman 1022. This is a Ruger 1022, all dressed up in a full metal case here. 16-inch fluted barrel. I've got my little Sparrow suppressor on. And my little Vortex scope. Today, we're using Epson Brand printer bullets. These are the cheapest bullets I had. Literally, I had about 1,000 of them in this box. And it's about empty now. The only ones that are in here are the ones that fouled and wouldn't fire. I mean, you could see they're all kind of cockeyed. And here's the science part. Ruger makes these BX25 magazines, and here's the problem. When you use these magazines, the cheap ammo and probably good ammo is prone to jamming up, bending, because the spring tension in these is supposedly too great for the 22 long rifle bullet. That's why Ruger suggests that you use these little guys here. And today for science, we're going to knock steel at 50 yards. I've got my 3 steel targets at 50 yards. And we're going to see what we could do with both of these. Let's go. You can hear the steel. Magazine number 1. No mess ups. We're going to use one of these. Flat right here. Small steel. And out. Another BX25 mag. Let's throw that in. I'm just trying to kill this stuff off and have some fun. Oh, we got a jam. You could see it right there. Magazine comes out. We lock that back. Ugly. Oogly, oogly, oogly. All right, one bad one. And that should be it.